Hello and welcome to this video blog. In this video I will make not one but two cupboard cabinets in my van. One on top of the couch storage section area and second on top of the kitchen unit. So stay tuned to see how I will do that. In my video blog I actually have another video about building these top cabinets on top of my sleeping area. I will give you a link right there or in the description. So if you want to see in very detailed process about building these cabinets, you can go there, and in this video I will not repeat the same process for you, so it will be super quick and I will show you only the main steps how I will build these cabinets. My new cupboards will be located on top of the kitchen, the first one. Here's my kitchen and it's located right there between my existing cupboards and the sliding door. And second one will be located on top of my new couch there. I already have two pieces of plywood pre-cut in the construction shop. One is 1 meter long and second one is 1 meter and 20 centimeters. It's going there and 1 meter go there. The technique will be the same that I use when I build these cupboards. Nothing fancy, very basic but very fast, and that's what I need right now. For the doors I again bought these beautiful Ikea doors and I attach two doors together because I need 30 centimeters doors. They don't have this size, so I got 20, 10 and attach them together. Also in construction shop I asked them to cut these plywood pieces, so it's easier for me to build these side walls or dividers inside. And to do the exact cutting of the dividers, I make again a template from the plywood pieces and insulation foam. So I cut it to exact size of my wall and it will look like that. So now I can just move it here to one of my pieces, mark the exact cut and cut it. I decided to cut 3 pieces same time. Side walls cut, so now the assembling process.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, to spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
I know it's not the best way to assemble top cabinets, but you couldn't beat the speed. It's not super pretty, but it was super fast. Just 16 minutes and I assembled this shelf. And I cut plywood in like 3 minutes. So speed is what I need right now because I have plenty of things to do and no time. And the couch top cabinet is halfway done. You can see this door. I made it from 2 Ikea doors, the 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter door, and I put 3 hinges there because the door is pretty heavy, but it works like a charm, soft closing and holding this door very good, so no problems here. I will put here the same door, and you can see I put wire in this section of the van. It goes there, so I can have lighting there like I have in my cabinets here. And I also paint some of the pieces of these cabinets while I had some busy days at work and couldn't do much. I just paint them and let them dry for the night. So now I will continue and put second door there, and this section on top of the kitchen part for cupboards is waiting for me too.
No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
And the kitchen cupboards is done too. I like the look, it matches my kitchen furniture, so it's like in a real house. You have one set of furniture for the cupboards and kitchen. I didn't do super precise job with these doors, but I could tune it a little later and it's fine for now. And next I will install these push handles that will lock the doors while I'm driving, like I did there, and I like them very much. They are super easy to install and they works great and looks very fine too.
Letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful.
Installation of lock handles is complete. They works great as expected, but here on the second part they come with this super little metal like locking part, which is super strange because before that I bought the same handles and this part was bigger, so it was kind of surprise for me. But anyway, I made my own parts from some kind of random aluminum profile. I just cut it with my saw and make two holes with a drill, and here we go. Works like a charm. And one more here, two, super great, working, and two more on this side. So yep, my two cupboards installation is complete. That's all for this video. I still need to apply some more layers of paint to these cabinets, and I also want to add automatic LED lighting to my cabinets like I did in other video. I will give you a link right there in the description with my other top cabinets. Also in the description I will put links to the this hydraulic slow closing hinges and the push locking mechanisms, so links will be down there if you want to buy them. And that's all for this video. Subscribe if you want to see other videos. There will be very more videos soon, and I see you there. Bye. Automatic lighting in these cabinets like I did on my cabinets on top of this that you cannot see right now. I don't know why I show you.